A new initiative to strengthen water security, sanitation and climate resilience in Papua New Guinea and the Solomon Islands has been officially launched in Port Moresby on the 7th of May 2026. The initiative, called Protecting Freshwater Resources for Increased Climate Resilience in the Pacific Islands, or PacFresH2O, is a 5-year program supported by the German government's International Climate Initiative, funded through the German Federal Ministry for the Environment, Climate Action, Nature Conservation and Nuclear Safety. The PacFresH2O, or PacFresHWater, program will provide 20 million euros, which is over 103 million kina, in funding to Papua New Guinea and the Solomon Islands. Each country will receive 10 million euros, approximately 51 million kina each, to support water security, sanitation and climate resilience projects. PacFresHWater is being implemented in partnership with the governments of Papua New Guinea and the Solomon Islands, alongside the Pacific Community, GEES, WaterAid Papua New Guinea and Live and Learn Solomon Islands. For PNG, PacFresHWater is not a standalone donor project, but it is carefully aligned with the government's own Development Medium-Term Development Plan 4.
Addressing this sector will have a lot of impact on our indicators across the education sector, the health sector, nutrition, stunting. We're planning to build a productive population that will contribute to achieve a lot of development goals and the targets that we have set in the medium-term development plan. For I think the timing is right. Let's talk. After this launch, let's get some real projects going.
In the Solomon Islands, it aligns with the Integrated Vulnerability Assessment Framework, supporting efforts to identify and respond to climate risks in vulnerable communities.
We need to have the House of Chiefs in the communities able to communicate with the ward and with the provincial government and connected to the national government. I'm challenging every leader here. The GIZ support through this infrastructure and service that we will enjoy. I really look forward to see a governance system that not only appreciates the infrastructure in place, but how we can best have a mechanism in place that can connect the community with our ward systems, with our provincial government and the national government.
Beate Jersky, German ambassador to Australia and special envoy for the Pacific Island states, emphasized on the strategic importance of this initiative.
Papua New Guinea and the Solomon Islands are particularly vulnerable to these challenges, as we heard also before. At the same time, both countries have demonstrated strong leadership in addressing them. And this is where PacFresH2O comes in. Through Germany's International Climate Initiative, ICI, funded by the Federal Ministry for the Environment and Climate Action, Germany is proud to support this regional program implemented by our trusted organization GIZ and in close cooperation with the Pacific Community, SPC, WaterAid PNG, Live and Learn Environment Education Solomon Islands and other national partners. Together, we aim to protect freshwater resources and strengthen climate resilience water, sanitation and hygiene, so-called WASH systems, ensuring that communities are better prepared for the impacts of climate change.
With the implementation of the project, Emmanuel Gebhardt highlighted the program's implementation approach.
What makes this initiative particularly strong is its alignment with the national systems. So in both countries, we make sure that there will be alignment. Across both countries, there are three things in focus to achieve clear results. So the first thing which we have in focus is strengthening governance systems. The second thing we have in focus is improving coordination. And the third thing is to supporting climate-resilient water sanitation and hygiene infrastructure alongside nature-based solutions, while enhancing access to climate finance for sustainable wash services.
With this project, these partners are working to safeguard the freshwater resources, build resilience and create healthier futures for the communities. Vice Minister for the National Planning and Monitoring, Honorable Daniel Tindipu, thanked all the partners in ensuring the PacFresH2O project improves coordination, building institutional capacity, and ensuring that climate-resilient water services can be sustained and scaled over time.
To JIC WaterAid, Life and Land UNICEF, the Asian Development Bank, the World Bank, the European Union, and to every implementing partners in this room, thank you. Your work is not invisible to us. We see you, we value you, and we ask you to stay the course with us, because the journey from 18% rural sanitation coverage to universal coverage is a journey of the generations, not a project cycle.
Papua New Guinea and the Solomon Islands face growing pressure on water resources due to climate change, isolation, and limited infrastructure. Challenges made more urgent by their large rural populations. With this project, both countries are looking forward to tangible benefits it will bring.